Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you how to make a dynamic door block. Let's go file, new, open. Let's switch off the grid line. So let's draw a line. Escape, zoom, enter, polyline, again 25, 25, 25 again, okay, 25 again, polyline, 25 again, and 25. So 75, so 50, enter. So let's mirror this. So let's go for 25 again, connect, fillet again, and fillet again. I didn't connect correctly. Let's connect this one also. So polyline, enter, 10, 40, again here 10, 40, and let's connect this, fillet, fillet again, okay. So let's pick another polyline from here. We will go for the 750. Okay, let's mirror MI. Let's move this one beside. Okay, rotate, arrow, okay. Let's make this one 25 also. Okay, polyline again, F, meaning fillet, F, enter, okay. Let's draw a line. So just like this, REC. Let's put one rectangle like this from here to here. Let's make this one gray color. Okay. Let's make draw, send to back. Okay. Let's make this one block. B, enter. Dynamic door block. Pick point. Let me pick. Okay, center. No problem. Okay. So go to the block editor by right clicking, block editor. Okay. So before going to do the dynamic things, let's make wipe out. Let's go for the polyline, select this and enter. So again select this one, right click, draw the center back. Okay. Now let's play the game. Linear. So start from below and make it end up. So the yellow, this point should be down, otherwise it won't work correctly. Again same point, choose this one and to here. So here also remember this yellow point should be here. If you click this one, you will see it's up and down, no problem. And we will do another one from here to here. This one you can do both sides if you want, it's not an issue. And I am going to play with the down. So let's double click this one and go for the stretch and click this, one click, then draw a box and select this, enter. In the same way double click this one, stretch, you can click it here and select like this, click again, enter. Then this one double click, stretch, I will click here, then correctly like this and again enter. Now let's draw a circle, C, enter. Same you can select from here, so make big, sorry, go to the zoom in, no need to, C, enter. So I want to choose from here and either you can go up to here. Okay, no, it's the wrong point, it should be up to here. Okay, select all, TR, enter, click. Now what we have to do, we have to do again a linear. This time you will make reference, so it will become re-enter or re-enter, it will be back like this. Click here and go up to here and like this, and this one has to be go up. So double click this one, this time we will select scale and this, let me check first this one. Okay, yellow color this side should be, so double click again, scale, this one, enter. Okay, now we will put block properties, click here anywhere and enter. So here we have to select distance 1, distance 2 and distance 4. So let's enter this distance 1, distance 2, distance 4. Press Ctrl, you can add select multiple. Okay, so let's put here 750, the 900 and 1200. Repeat same, 750, 900, 1200. Same, 750, 900, 900, 1200. Okay, so let's close block editor, save. So let's draw a wall, REC, enter. So I will draw at 200 comma 2000. Let's rotate this one. I need more big. So this one I am going to place center. Let's move this one. Okay. Let me make the wall smaller for time being. How much this one? You will 130. No problem. Okay, let's select this one. I will place here somewhere up, and I will drag this one down here, and let's make this one. Right click, draw order, bring to front. See this one? So let's hatch this wall, and this one make it 100. Let's make 200, 300. So this one gray. It's very easy. So you can move. So no need to trim anything, just you can place it, and you can change the size very fast. And if you want to add size, you can add very fast. Just copy this one. I will copy another one. Click, CO, enter. Let's make this one smaller size. And I will add another door. Let's copy. Let's make this one different size, like 900. So you can put any size you want. So even you want to make double door, you follow the same step, you can do it. So I want to edit more parameter, like I want to mirror, like right click, block editor. So here there is a parameter called flip. Yeah, this one. So take center correctly. So double click, you can select all, enter, close block editor, save. So you can flip also. So you can flip this. You can do anywhere you want. So you can flip this one. So if you don't want here, you can take it up, and you can change the size whatever you want. So once you create like this, it's easy to use, easy to work in your architectural drawing very fast. The same way you can create the window also, and this is on your idea. Just use this parameter what is inside the block editor. Maybe I am little fast typing command. I hope you, if you didn't see what I am typing, just stop and push and check it. So here you can use many commands and you can work on it. Even you can rotate the door if you want, This is a rotating parameter, you can do whatever you want. You want to flip up and down also, you can do it from here. Just draw this one in this way, and you can make it. Let's close the block editor. So it's easy to do. So if you don't understand, look again and you will know. So if this line, if you don't want this line, you can make I think you can make in the, you can send this one. No, it will be there, but if you know how to hide, try some your knowledge, try some your ideas to hide this one if you want. Maybe let's say block editor, you can click this one and maybe you can make it this color, true color. So you make this white like this, so it won't come in the print, because 255 it will not print in the color. Otherwise, for me it's better to keep grayscale, and maybe you can play with the line type. Let's see we can play or not. Let's load some line. Yeah, this one I can load it. Okay, so let's select this, we'll make it dots, and in the property I believe it will work. So line time scale, main kick 10,000. Yeah, it's working. Close block editor, save. It's little lighter, anyhow it's little working. So try another way, maybe you can make distance of the settings if possible. Show details. So there is a global scale factor, current object scale. Maybe I will distance this one. Okay. Oh, I think still it's the same. Block editor. Home. Yes, it's working. I think I didn't select correctly before. So it's done. So enjoy your video. If you have any comment, please make the comment. I will try to reply you soon as possible. If you have any doubt, please let me know. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe and enjoy the video. Assalamu alaikum.